I celebrated my mother's birthday with my family at home. I woke up early in the morning. My siblings and I planned a surprise for her. We made breakfast together. We cooked sandwiches and fritters. We also cut some fresh fruit. Then, we carried the food to her room. My mother woke up and saw us. She smiled and thanked us for the surprise. We sat together on her bed while she ate her breakfast. She looked so happy. After breakfast, we cleaned the kitchen. Then, we started decorating the house. We blew up balloons and hung them around the living room. We also used streamers and flowers to decorate the room. The house looked very colorful. My mother stayed in her room while we decorated. We wanted everything to be a surprise. In the afternoon, we decided to bake a cake. We chose to make a chocolate cake because it was my mother's favorite. We followed a recipe and mixed all the ingredients. My siblings and I took turns stirring the batter. After we finished, we put the cake in the oven. While it baked, we prepared some frosting. When the cake was ready, we let it cool down. Then, we spread the frosting on the cake. It looked delicious. Later in the day, we had a small party. Some of our family members came over. My mother opened her gifts. I gave her a handmade card. I had worked on it for a long time. She read the card and smiled. I felt happy that she liked it. My siblings gave her flowers and chocolates. My mother thanked us for the gifts. In the evening, we all gathered in the living room. My mother chose a movie to watch. It was one of her favorite movies. We made some popcorn and sat together on the couch. We watched the movie and laughed together. My mother seemed to enjoy the movie. After the movie, we sang happy birthday to her. She blew out the candles on the cake and we all ate a slice. The day was simple but very special. We spent the whole day together as a family. My mother felt loved and appreciated. It made me happy to see her smile. Celebrating her birthday in this way was a wonderful experience for all of us.